What if I told you that somewhere, in a high-powered server, there is a digital version of you, a virtual mirror that breathes, beats its heart, and processes DNA exactly the way you do? Imagine your doctor testing 10,000 different chemotherapy drugs or heart medications on this digital ghost, finding the one that works perfectly before they ever give you a single dose. This isn't science fiction. This is the era of the digital twin, and it's the next massive breakthrough in the Research Codon. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are expanding our journey into Research Codon. We've talked about how your DNA is your blueprint, but today, we look at the construction site. We are exploring how digital twins, virtual dynamic models of individual patients, are revolutionizing how we diagnose, treat, and prevent disease. A digital twin is a high-resolution computational replica of a patient. It isn't just a static 3D model, it is a living data stream. It integrates your genetic profile, your electronic medical records, and real-time data from your wearables, like your heart rate, sleep patterns, and glucose levels. By combining this information, clinicians can create a patient-specific simulation to identify the optimal therapy for you and only you. We are seeing incredible promise in this approach for managing complex cases in cardiology and chronic disease management. One of the most powerful features of a digital twin is its ability to look into the future. By continuously integrating diverse data, these models can predict how a disease will progress. They can assess your risk for a heart attack or a stroke weeks or even months before it happens. This allows for proactive, early interventions, stopping a medical crisis before it even begins. It moves medicine from reactive to predictive. Traditionally, drug testing happens in a lab or on a patient population, but digital twins allow for in silico testing, simulating patient responses to new drugs in a virtual environment. This accelerates drug discovery and supports clinicians in making high-stakes decisions, such as optimizing the settings for an implantable heart device or choosing the exact molecular target for a rare cancer. It's a precision strike on disease, conducted in a digital world first. But building a digital you isn't easy. The biggest hurdle we face is data integration and quality. For a digital twin to be accurate, the data must be seamless, high quality, and standardized across different hospitals and devices. There is currently no universal standard for verifying a digital twin, which can lead to inconsistencies. To make this the global standard for healthcare, we need a unified, scalable framework that ensures every digital twin is as reliable as the human it represents. The era of the digital twin is turning medicine into a precise, predictive science. We are no longer guessing, we are simulating. Your health is no longer just a biological reality, it's a digital masterpiece. If you'd like to explore the systematic literature reviews and probabilistic models I used for this research, the full bibliography is available on my Telegram channel. Thank you for joining me for this episode of Research Codon. Stay curious, keep those cells dividing, and I'll see you in the next decode. See you soon!